Hey guys, good morning and welcome to another day of Vlogmas. So we had a little bit of a snowstorm yesterday, so it's finally beginning to feel like Christmas. We've got a ton of snow. It's actually pretty sunny and nice out today, so it looks like it's melting. But it was a huge snowstorm. It was pretty bad yesterday. People had no power and stuff. And then, of course, Mr. Vader here has been getting into the tree. He knocked all the ornaments over. There's like a ton back there. And also, I sprained my foot. So that's how my day's going. So I'm like super excited because I just got my shipment in the mail of wood flowers I ordered. I ordered from lovesolowoodflowers.com. I'll have it linked down below for you guys if you're interested. But I'm planning on DIYing my bouquets for my wedding. So I bought these wood flowers because you can paint them yourself and kind of assemble them and everything. And Vader wants to climb on the box. But yeah, I don't know, I thought it'd be fun, like, crafty thing to do, and I really like the way the wood flowers look over, like, silk flowers, and I didn't really want real flowers because they're just expensive and they die. So I got these, and let me tell you, they're having great Black Friday deals. I got, like, 300 of them for, like, 80 bucks, I think. I bought some carnations, some roses, and I think some zinnias. I think that's what I got. But I'm super excited. I have so many more packages coming. But, yeah. So I'm really excited to see what these look like. Oh, they're so cute. I'm so excited. Okay, so they're packaged, like, super duper nice. Here's a little card they sent me if you guys want to check them out. But yeah, I think they're like a little small business. Yeah, and they have more like Christmas things on the back. That's super cute. Now everything is packaged in here really well. Yeah, so I ordered two 50 packs of 2-inch roses, the Bombay roses, and I ordered two 50 packs of the 3-inch carnations. I ordered one 50 pack of the 1.5-inch zinnias and one 50 pack of the 2-inch zinnias, and it was, after shipping, it was about $95, which 300 flowers, awesome. I'm going to make all the bouquets with these. Yeah, I'm going to make all my bouquets, all the centerpieces and everything. And here they are. These look so nice. They all come in little baggies, so they're all prepackaged for you guys. Let me see. I want to open them, but like I'm not going to make them yet, so I don't really want to like open them, but you can kind of see how they look. They're just plain. You dye them yourself, and honestly I thought these would feel different, but they kind of just feel like fake flowers. I mean, they're like very like thin, and they look super nice. Here's some more of the roses I got, and these are some of the zinnias. These are super cute. These look a lot nicer than I thought they would in person. Like, they actually look pretty realistic. So there's some of the zinnias I got. They look like that. They're super cute. Here are some of the carnations. They're nice and big and cute. Got more carnations. And then here's some of the cute little zinnias I got. I figured these would be nice little fillers for some of the bouquets and also for boutonnieres and corsages. But they're so cute and little. Okay, awesome. Yeah, that's all I got from that. I just figured I would share with you guys as I am continuing on attempting to plan my wedding. Hopefully we have a wedding. But yeah, that's my flowers. I want to be careful with these because I think they're fragile, but yeah. But yeah, I'm super excited those came in because I have so many more packages coming in for my centerpieces and like flowers and stuff. I ordered a bunch of greenery, a bunch of little boxes for the centerpieces, and he stole my lens cap. No, don't knock it over the fridge. Don't. Okay, sorry. Anyway, so yeah, I have a bunch more packages coming in, so I'm super excited about that. Yeah, I'm going to, hopefully when my dyes come in and my greenery comes in, I can make some videos assembling the bouquets for you guys. I'm super excited. So much content. Getting married is great. But yeah, I might go ahead and do some sewing later today. We'll see what happens. You guys, I'm so excited. So me and Kevin just applied last night to our new apartment because it was December 1st, so we could finally do that. And I just got a call today, said we're approved, so we're literally gonna pay the security deposit when he gets home, and I'm so excited because that means we get to move. Yay! I'm just so excited because this apartment that we're moving to is closer to our families, closer to where Kevin works, so it'll be nicer. And the apartment has a washer and dryer. So nice, considering I broke my foot going to do my laundry. I fell down the stairs, so yeah, it'll be nice not to have to go into a basement to do my laundry. But yeah, so I'm so excited because now we're not moving till March, but that means I can start shopping for the new apartment, so I'm excited. But yeah, little update for you guys. Hey guys, it's like 10 o'clock at night. I haven't uploaded my VLOGMAS day 4 yet because I only have half a vlog filmed. I want to sew, but like it's 10 o'clock at night, so I don't know if I'm going to sew. Kevin's playing video games. He recently got a haircut. Vader's doing Vader things.
You think I look ravishing?
Of course I do. Hi.
Hey. That camera is way too nice to be vlogging with.
I know, I wish I had a vlog camera, but I'm poor. So I was planning on doing some sewing, but I don't know, because I need to cut out stuff for a Christmas present, but I haven't gotten around to that yet. So I don't know what this vlog is going to be.
It sounds like it's just Katie Babble.
But I wanted to upload the vlog today because I was doing so good, and now I just have no content. Should I just make an hour-long vlog of Vader doing Vader things?
I mean, it's cute.
We're gonna follow Vader around today because that's all that I got. Cinematography for Vader. Vader, today we're gonna be doing a day in your life. Well, a night in your life. So, Vader, what do you do? I see you knocked this container on the floor. Why did you do that? Vader, tell the audience why you knocked that container on the floor. Yeah? What else do you have to say, Vader? Was it fun knocking a container on the floor? Did you enjoy every second of it? Tell me what makes you tick? What makes you tick? What do you enjoy doing as a cat? Yeah, you like being cute? I need you to do something else, because right now you're just laying on the table and the audience doesn't want to see you just laying on the table. So tell me, what else? Oh, you gonna take us somewhere? Or are you just playing with my camera strap? Oh, okay, so you're going in the kitchen. Yeah? Is it dinner time? Hold on, let's get you dinner. I see your bowl here is a little empty. Is that the problem? Yeah, that's the problem. Okay, so we're gonna fill up your bowl here so that you can eat some food. Yeah, we're gonna fill this bowl up. Okay. All right. Hang on. This is your plethora of food. I know you just want to dive in there, don't you? You just want to dive in there in the container of food. Okay, hang on. Wait, there's no food in your bowl yet. You can't start eating it until there's food in it. Wait. Okay, hang on. We're gonna give you some food here. Because you are a king and kings like to eat. Okay, hang on. hang on. Okay, we got the food. We got the goods, Vader. We got the goods. I know it sucks not having thumbs. Yeah. Okay, I have a broken foot, so you need to walk a little faster. Okay. There's the food on your little meow thing. Okay, how is it? You want to give us a review? Go eat the food. Let us know how that kibble tastes. Is that not the good shit, huh? Is that not what you want? Do you want water? Hey, I've never seen you drink out of that before. So, okay. You begged for food, but you don't want food, huh? You want to stretch? Okay. This is Vader. Doing Vader things. He likes to run into the cabinet, you know? Sometimes he has to find Narnia. We don't know what's in there, but, you know. This is what he does. He's going this way. He's going that way. I don't think I can get up off the ground. Is he eating? I don't think he wants to eat yet. He needs to explore what's in the cabinets. Exploring. It's my broken foot. Ooh, he shakes. He's sniffing something on the ground. He's playing with it. I think he might be eating it. Because, you know, why eat the cat food when there's something interesting on the ground to eat? What is this you're eating, Vader? Please describe the flavor. What are you eating? What is this? What? Ew. That is a piece of a Walmart bag. Vader, it's not edible. You have good food over there. Why do you choose to eat a Walmart bag when you are a rich cat with actual food? No comment. Okay, no comment. Still eating the bag. There's quality food over there, but that bag, man, that bag. The bag is what he wants. He is king, we don't question the king. Right? We don't question the king. No. We don't question the king. In fact, he is so kingly that I need help getting off the floor. Ow! Damn it. Okay, Vader. As you see, I bought him this little container that says meow treats because he meows a lot and he likes treats. So let's give the cat some treats. I think he'll like them. I bought these organic ones from Whole Foods because my cat is bougie and he needs organic treats. But I'm gonna give him the Temptations because that's what he likes the best. Okay? Yeah. Oh, fuck. Alright, okay. We got that. Now. Watch and learn as the wild Vader cries for, oh, he's on the counter. But it's okay, he's king. I didn't do the dishes. Vader needs to do the dishes. I'm sorry. Okay. You smell the treats? You want the treats? He gets the treats. Don't fall! Was it good? You want some more? Vader? Oh, you're so good. Vader. You want the treats? Vader. 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 You didn't get it. Ow, you bit me. Good boy. I don't have any more. I don't have any more.